In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello cards together in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing projects, planning events, or organizing tasks, having interconnected Trello cards can dramatically enhance your productivity by creating a seamless flow of information. So let's dive right in and make your workflow smoother. First things first, if you're not already logged into Trello, you'll want to do that. Simply head over to the Trello website and click on the Login button. It's usually situated at the top right corner of your screen, ensuring easy access for all users. Once you click on that, you'll be presented with several login options. For today, we'll use Google because it's quick and hassle-free, especially if you're already signed into your Google account in the same browser. Just click on the Google option and select your account. It's as easy as that. Now that you're logged in, it's time to focus on the task at hand, connecting your Trello cards. Navigate to the specific board where your cards are located. If you have the link handy, you can jump straight to the board, otherwise it should be visible on your Trello dashboard. Once you're in, go ahead and open the card you're looking to link from. Just click on it and it will open the card details panel. Inside the card details, if you take a glance towards the bottom, you'll see a button labeled Share. Give that a click and you'll find several sharing options. The one we're interested in today is the link to this card. Click on that option to copy the link. This particular feature is a gem because it ensures that the card you're referencing remains easily accessible no matter where you paste the link. With that link now copied to your clipboard, you'll want to paste it into the card or cards you'd like to interconnect. Go ahead and open another card where the connection is needed. Once inside, paste the link where it fits best, usually in the card description or a relevant comment, ensuring you clearly label why the link is being included. This keeps your workflow organized and assists you and your team in understanding the purpose of the link. And there you have it. You've just connected 2 Trello cards, facilitating easier navigation and task management. By linking your cards, you create a web of information that's accessible to your entire team, fostering better coordination and communication. Remember, these links not only save time, but also prevent important tasks or resources from slipping through the cracks. Practice this a few times and you'll become adept at it, using interlinked cards as a powerful tool to drive projects forward. Thanks for following along. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more valuable tips and tricks on using Trello effectively. See you in the next video.